Maintain an 18 to 36 inch clearance from roof edges as a practical thumb rule for solar panel placement on homes. When planning rooftop photovoltaic layouts, aim for an 18 to 36 inch setback from roof edges to balance wind uplift, ventilation, and fire access requirements. Start by measuring roof overhangs and ridgelines and mark the perimeter setback so panels sit well within the structural field rather than on the cantilevered edge. Leave continuous 3-foot pathways from roof hatches and egress points to meet common rooftop access and firefighter circulation practices, and route conduits along these paths or over rafters to avoid obstructing walkways. Verify inverter and module manufacturer clearance recommendations because some systems need additional space for cooling and service access, and those requirements supersede the thumb rule. When designing racking, ensure the rails and flashing details preserve roof waterproofing and that fastener placement does not penetrate critical membrane seams or valley flashings. Finally, document clearances on the as-built drawings and photos so future service technicians and inspectors can confirm that access, ventilation, and fire clearance intentions were preserved. Common mistakes include placing panels too close to the eave, which increases wind uplift risk and can void warranties, so move the array inward and use manufacturer-approved attachment hardware. Sometimes installers fail to provide continuous 3-foot egress routes, which impedes emergency access. So reconfigure module rows and cable runs to create unobstructed paths, and installers or homeowners ignore inverter and module clearance requirements, which can cause overheating or make servicing dangerous. So always follow the equipment installation manual and allow the specified working space. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and provides a discussion community where people share experiences about rooftop photovoltaic setbacks, manufacturer guidance, and permitting. We help contractors showcase their work and find new projects while letting homeowners compare approaches and ask practical questions in our forums.